His future family destroyed. The poor ostrich will have to start again. And he's running out of time before the breeding season ends. After losing his clutch of eggs, he must move fast to win round his females. Long, powerful legs can cover 12 feet in a single stride. But his hens need convincing. A male needs to dance if he wants to bring the females flocking. And now he has 4 hens to satisfy. Thankfully, mating is a brief affair. Five days later, the females are ready to lay. His major hen goes first, then others follow. Up to 50 eggs in total, in a nest 10 feet wide. 80% are usually lost to predators or to the baking sun. But ultimately, the fate of the next generation rests with Dad. What could possibly go wrong?